showing you how to use our new exciting product called Attraction Lash Fixative. Attraction Lash Fixative is unlike any product on the market right now. It is your liquid liner as well as your adhesive for your fake lashes. Now don't get confused, Attraction is not glue. It is a non-sticky formula and it's not magnetic either. Attraction Lash Fixative contains a new technology that allows you to adhere any of your lashes to it. But for best results, use our Mi Beauty lashes. Now enough talking, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Attraction Lash Fixative with your favorite lashes. So I brought you in nice and close so you can see exactly how I do this. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my eyelashes. So today I'm going to be using the Mi Beauty Classy Lashes. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the lashes absolutely fit your eye shape, because no matter what lashes you wear, if it does not fit your eye shape, they're going to feel uncomfortable and they're not going to sit well on the eye. So first I'm just going to take the lashes out of the packaging. I like to almost roll my thumb like this instead of pulling them off, just because it makes sure the lashes don't get damaged. Now, like many lashes, our lashes do have a little bit of an extra end that holds the lash into place in the packaging. So what I like to do is I actually like to cut that part off first. So I just take my Mi Beauty lash scissors and I'm just going to cut off the little pieces at the end here. So now it does not have those extra pieces. So now what I like to do is I actually like to take my tweezers. I've got my Mi Beauty tweezers right here, and I'm just gonna grab hold of the lash, and I like to hold it up to my eye to see exactly how much I need to trim. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna trim a little bit on the inside of the lash here. What I like to do personally is avoid cutting too much on the outer end of the lash, just because that is where most of the drama of the lash is. You can trim both sides if you like, but because I want to keep that length and drama, I'm going to trim starting on the inside of the lash. So now I've got my trimmed lash. I'm going to hold it up to my eye one last time just to make sure the size is what I'd like. Alright, so that lash is exactly the size that I want it to be, so now I'm going to move on to the next lash and make sure that is sized up for my eye too. So now that my lashes are all sized up, I am ready to apply my liner. Now, if you're just wearing eyeliner, then you would just jump into the eyeliner, but if you wanted to put some eyeshadow on, I suggest doing all of that first. So now what I'm going to do is grab my Attraction Lash Fixative, and you're just going to apply it like you would your normal eyeliner. Now I'm just going to apply a basic line today, but if you'd like to do a wing liner, you could absolutely do it. Just apply your liner how you normally would. Just make sure it is thick enough for the lash to adhere to it, but it really doesn't have to be that thick at all. Alright, so now the Attraction liner is on my eyes. I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara. Now this step is optional. You don't have to wear mascara with false lashes. I personally prefer to do that just because it allows your lashes to naturally blend in better with the false lashes. Now if you're someone who has downward turning eyelashes or lashes that go a little bit more straight out opposed to curled, I suggest also curling your lashes as well because it also allows them to blend in. I myself am just going to put mascara on just because my lashes are already very curly. Today I'm going to be using the Mi Beauty Dual Mascara. So now that my mascara is on my eyes, I'm just going to allow that a little bit of time to dry so that I'm not making a mess, and then I'll be putting my lashes on while my eyeliner is still a little bit tacky. When putting on the false lashes, I personally like to use tweezers, but if you are new to this, I highly recommend you using our lash applicator, as it is a very safe way to apply your false lashes. And I'm going to place it first in the middle of my eye. And next what I'm going to do is place the inner corner and then the outer corner. And just make sure that the lash band is properly adhered to the Attraction Lash Fixative. And what you could do too at this point is just kind of press the false lashes to your natural lashes, just so everything is blended nicely on the eye. Now the lashes that I chose to wear today do have a clear band, but you can use lashes with any band colors. So if it's a black band, you can absolutely wear those too. In fact, a black band does blend in really, really nice with Attraction Lash Fixative. Now you are ready to enjoy your eyelashes and your eyeliner all day long.